Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple iPhone won't connect to Apple Watch after updating and your iPhone says pairing failed. Your Apple Watch couldn't pair with your iPhone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to turn off the iPhone and the Apple Watch as well for a couple of minutes. After turning on the both devices, first we have to go to settings and tap on Bluetooth and disconnect all the connected Bluetooth devices. Turn off Bluetooth, go back to settings, tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After reset all settings, go to iPhone home screen, tap on Apple Watch and unpair the connected watches on your iPhone is old or new. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and launch settings. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if available. Then go to Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth and try to connect your Apple Watch. Then go back to settings, general and tap transfer reset iPhone, reset, tap reset network settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. After doing this easy and simple step, you will get rid of this issue and you are easily connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone and enjoy. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.